I'm John from Novation, and in this short video, I'm going to give you an overview of what you can expect to learn in this Make Music video series. You're going to learn about the software which will enable you to make music, Ableton Live, and how it integrates with your Launchpad, giving you the fastest and most inspirational way to make music with Live. Ableton Live is a DAW, which stands for Digital Audio Workstation. In other words, a piece of software which is used for music production and performance. We're going to show you how to install your copy of Ableton Live Lite, and then we'll walk you through how to set up your Launchpad with Live. If you already have Ableton Live installed and you're familiar with its function, then please skip to video 3 where you can learn how to set up your Launchpad with Live. You're also going to learn how to make music in Live using your Launchpad, as well as how to take hands-on control of Ableton Live's instruments. And once we've covered all of those steps, we're going to point you towards some additional resources and show you the next steps in your Launchpad journey.